travelers, riders, and coaster enthusiasts. It's about dusk here at Busch Gardens in Tampa, Florida, and we're gonna go on Montu. How many inversions, Becky?
7.
7 inversions on this one. It is an inverted coaster. It's a very large one. It might be the biggest, I don't know. We'll see. Banshee is our favorite, or at least my favorite, of this particular type. So we'll see how it compares to Banshee. Maybe it's gonna take the #1 spot. Don't know. Join us to find out. We'll be on board Point of View up next, and let's go. Let's get on the ride. All right, right here. We may be in a walk-in situation. Hopefully this will record. We will see.
This ride is not recommended for elderly guests.
Not recommended for elderly guests. So it's got some nice artwork. It looks Egyptian. I guess this is an Egyptian guy. Okay. Wow. Nice queue line. Indoors. Very cool. I really like the artwork. I mean, it's nice, right, Becky? Okay. There we go. Front row. Sun's still shining. Hopefully it'll capture for everybody. All right, we're in it. Got my buckled in, Becky. Are you buckled in? Yeah, I think you gotta hold it down. Just hold it down for a second. Just hold her down. They really did a good job with the Egyptian theming, though. I like the artwork on the way in for sure. This is like a little pyramid style. I think we're locked. No? Yeah, I'm locked in. Okay, I'm in. I got a pretty good click. So, gates are closing. Prepare for launch. That pyramid really is nice, though. I mean, they did a good job. Got the hieroglyphics and everything. And away we go, Becky. 7 inversions. How fast did you say? 60 mile an hour? 64? Oh, 60? That's what I thought it said. Oh, jeez. I think the floor's going to drop out. Oh, really? It's like a little push forward. Interesting. So I think they're up at the window over there, and we should be clear. Should be seeing some thumbs up. I heard platform. Is that the platform? I'll look down. We'll see if it drops. Let's see if we can see the floor drop. Any second. Oh, platform is clear. There goes the floor. And here we go. Oh, I'm feeling sprinkles. Feeling the sprinkies. Up and away. Yeah. See how she goes. Go, Becky. I'm gonna hold on to the camera. Here we go. That's one. Woo! Number 2. Three. Hold on, everybody. Number 5, a little stall. Woo! 6 to a mid-break run. Going back down the tunnel. Number 7. brakes! Oh, a little rattling. Oh Lord, where is it? Side mirror. Oh, hold on! Oh, wow! Holy smokes! Woo! Woo! She's a runner. She's a runner start to finish. I don't know if we captured her, but I'd ride her again, I think. Man, I don't know. Is it better than Banshee? I don't know, you know. It's a tough call. For this type, it really ran. I just had one ear bang. I did get one ear bang on the right. You got it on the second one. I was kind of ready for the second one, so. All right, well, we'll see when we get back to the station. All right, Montu, can do, I say. No, I don't know. I had a great ride. What'd you think of the coaster?
I did too. Being in the front seat, it is an amazing ride. It's like so many near misses, and then just the whole element of being on like the track so close up. But yeah, definitely had a great ride. It's kind of comparable in a little bit to Banshee at East Island.
Okay, so for me, compared to Banshee, the theming on this is really great. They've got some nice Egyptian artwork. They've got this pyramid complex. There's a couple of tunnels that you go through here. I only got one ear bang, so really smooth. I mean, as far as this type goes, it's really smooth. 7 inversions is really nice. I think Banshee has 7 inversions too, if I'm not mistaken. So they're neck and neck. I don't know which one's really better. If you count the theming, this might push it over the top. And it's in its own little section. We didn't have to wait long. Really interesting. So all in all, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I had a nice ride on it, and definitely check it out. It's kind of in its own little section back here. Over here, you can't miss it. It's right next to the giant snake head, right through the big pyramid. Just walk right up here and get on this thing. If you like your inversions, it's a great coaster. So thanks for joining us on this one. We had a great ride. We're getting into dark now, so we'll be back for one more day tomorrow. Try to get all the coasters for everybody, and then we'll do the walking tour, of course. So big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye, everybody.